The VideoMic GO II is designed to make capturing incredible audio incredibly easy. Ultra lightweight and compact, with powerful features that are simple to use, it is perfect for all forms of content creation with a camera, smartphone, tablet, or computer. Broadcast quality compact shotgun microphone. No battery required and no complicated switching, incredibly easy to use. 3.5mm TRS output for use with cameras. USB output for use with mobile devices, iOS and Android, and computers, macOS and Windows. Compatible with Rode apps for accessing advanced features, powerful digital signal processing and studio quality recording on any device. It comes with the Rode SC14 3.5mm TRS to TRS patch cable. Use the supplied shock mount to attach the VideoMic GO II to your camera's cold shoe and the SC14 patch cable to plug it in. The shock mount has cable management slots, making it easy to keep your setup neat and organized. Use the sliding rail to move the microphone backwards or forwards if required. Being a shotgun microphone with a supercardioid polar pattern, it is highly directional, meaning that it clearly picks up sound from in front while sounds to the side and rear are reduced. It can also pick up sound from further away from the microphone while still retaining presence and clarity. The VideoMic GO II also comes with a high-quality windshield for capturing clean recordings outdoors and reducing plosives, plus a professional shock mount for superior absorption of handling noise. Plugging the VideoMic GO II into your computer turns it into a fully functional USB microphone, perfect for anything from podcasting to video calls and voiceovers to streaming. This groundbreaking patent-pending technology makes the VideoMic GO II unlike any other microphone in its class. When used in USB mode, the 3.5mm output doubles as a headphone output for easy audio monitoring and playback of your recordings. The VideoMic GO II features a level peak warning LED, which is located next to the USB output. This will flash red when the input level is too loud and clipping the microphone's internal preamp, which will result in distorted audio. If your signal is clipping, turn the input gain level down or activate the pad using Rode Connect or Rode Central. Note, this functionality is only available when using the microphone in USB mode.
This is an extremely light microphone, very, very light. It's like you have nothing in your hand. This was the quality assurance number 5. I think it's a person, maybe, who did the quality assuring on this mic. So this is a Rode VideoMic GO II. You have a USB-C plug that you can plug into your computer, and a 3.5 TRS cable which goes into your DSLR, mirrorless, or whatever camera you have. Maybe a quick tip when installing your Rode VideoMic GO II. When you're putting on your stand, you see these little dots over here? This is where your support has to be aligned with. So that's the correct way. These 4 dots over here. Now I haven't seen any reviews which tell you these, since this way is the correct alignment for it. And of course, if you can see how the shocks absorb any vibration that you might have on your camera or DSLR or whatever you use. And this over here, it's a cold shoe that you can slide on your camera. It comes flush so you can see on your visor. And of course you can put the cold shoe on top of your camera so it sticks. And over here is just the cable management, so you just plug in the cable on the other side or whatever side you want to use it.